Hi guys, I am so excited to be doing Vlogmas even though I sound like crap. But I said I would just start vlogging today. I'm literally out of the shower and I just had my hair tied up, so I'm just brushing it out. It's a bit knotty and matted and I don't know, I just tied it up before I went into the shower. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic Vlogmas. I think we're on day 3 now, so I'm going to be calling this Vlogmas day 3. I still look really ratchet. I put like a bit of BB cream on my face because I was like, I really don't want to go on camera looking like death warmed up. I have definitely looked better. Definitely. I'm just actually fed up of being sick and I'm just fed up of not being able to talk. I'm actually currently trying to buy my It Cosmetics CC cream, but I'm all out of it and I can't remember what colour I got because the colour has rubbed off the container that I have. So I'm like trying to research swatches online and I have to put away clothes. You probably can't see them, they're all there as well. I'm in the process of cleaning up my bedroom. I'm kind of just gotten a bit like fed up of being sick and I said, look, I'll do something today. So I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Today is Tuesday, so I haven't really talked to you guys since I put up my video explaining why I didn't have a vlog up, which was filmed on Saturday or Sunday. So you guys were leaving like the sweetest comments on that and you were like, just get better, just like take care of yourself, mind yourself. And you guys are just so cute, like you're so sweet. And some people were like what are you getting so upset over, like Vlogmas, it's fine, like we know that you'll be back to form and doing it. But I just felt really guilty. I know I don't have to feel like that, but it was just like I was really looking forward to Vlogmas this year and I was really looking forward to starting it off with a bang and vlogging every day, and it just hasn't happened. But look, we're on it now. We're at day 3. Well, I'm filming day 3, even though, yeah, today's the 3rd. So I don't know, like should today be day 4? I'm not really sure what way I'm going to be doing this, but maybe I'll put it up day 3, day 4, I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. I'm not really too worried about it. I'm vlogging, that's the main thing. The weekend, I wasn't feeling great on Thursday and then Friday came around, I was feeling ratchet, but I had promised Paddy I would go out because he just finished Movember. I was like, what was he doing? Movember. So he was raising money. They raised over like €2,000, maybe like €2,500, something like that, for men's health, obviously, because that's what Movember is. It's to bring awareness to men's health issues and men's mental health, all the whole thing. So he was raising money for that. But they had like a whole night out planned on the Friday night, which was the 29th. Yeah, the 29th. My God, sorry, my brain. Anyway, so on the 29th, and we all went out. So I went out with him and his group of friends. I think there was like maybe like 15 of us out. It was great fun. We went to Camden, which used to be Palace, if anyone remembers Palace. But anyway, they've turned it into a sports bar and it is amazing. I had like the best night out ever. I turned around to him at like 3 o'clock and I was like, I really want chicken nuggets. He was like, yeah, I really want McDonald's. So we went to McDonald's in Grafton Street and just sat in McDonald's for ages. It was wedged. I was balubas and sick. It was great fun. But I had such a wonderful night out. We were in Camden and then we ended up going to Whelan's because I don't know why. Why did we end up going to Whelan's? Oh, that's right. One of Paddy's friends couldn't get in to Camden because they just didn't like the look of him. Sometimes some bars are like that in Dublin, they just don't like the look of you and they're like, you're not getting in. So he didn't get in. So we were already in Camden and then we came out to him obviously and we went to Whelan's instead. Whelan's is great. Like Whelan's just brings me back to college. I used to love going there and I used to love like the layout of it. It was just so much fun. So we ended up going to Whelan's, staying in there. Then we got McDonald's and got a taxi back to his house. I really wasn't the better of it on Saturday. I was just really sick and he was hungover, so it was great because he was hungover and I was sick, so I didn't feel too bad for like not getting up to like 1:30. That's all we did on Saturday. I think we got chopped then Domino's that evening and watched a movie and literally did not budge. Saturday went to Rendezvous in Ongar. If you've never been there, it's lovely. It's a really nice place for breakfast. It's just like a really nice kind of like little area and it's in like a little tiny villagey kind of area. It's really cute. But we went to Rendezvous and I had, what did I get? Oh, I had French toast and so did he. So that's what we did on Sunday morning, and then Sunday evening, afternoon, I just like literally panned out in bed. I was really unwell. So anyway, we're up to date now. Monday, which was yesterday, I didn't do much. I called over to my friend Jenna's because I haven't seen her in like ages, and she was so cute. She was like tucking me in with like a dressing gown on and put fluffy socks on me, and she was like, you relax there and you mind yourself. And she made me tea and coffee, and then we had a shake and we're just chilling out. I had a lovely day yesterday with my friend Jenna. So I'm starting to feel a bit better. I've a little bit more energy. Yesterday I felt much better as well, so I'm definitely on the mend. I needed a couple of days rest. I think it was just I overworked myself last week. I'm not sure. I know I should be resting my voice because I've read all your comments and you're like, if you have laryngitis you should be resting your voice, so I know I should be doing that. So I'm going to try and not vlog too much, but we're going to get a bit of a vlog in. I'm actually going through my makeup drawer at the moment, and then I need to clean the rest of the room. But I was playing with like makeup this morning. I was like putting on, you know, the Wonder Brow. I found that in my makeup drawer and I put that on my brows, and I was like, why haven't I used this more often? But now I'm going through like foundations and stuff, and I want to clear some of them out and clean up the drawer, so you guys can watch me do that because it might be a bit more fun. I won't be able to talk through it obviously because hello, and I'm just trying not to talk too much. It's a struggle because it's me and I love talking. You guys know that. Okay, so this is my foundation drawer, and as you can see, it's not only foundations, it's highlights, primers, the elastics of my Invisalign, and there's a ring light there, a highlighter. There's just a lot of junk in there that doesn't belong. So I'm gonna start by emptying out this entire drawer, and we're gonna try and maybe reduce the amount of foundations in here. I did recently cull an awful lot of foundations. Like, I mean, like, was that last year? Good God, that was a year ago. But I culled an awful lot of foundations recently, and I'm saying last year. So we have an awful lot of stuff building up again. But I'm going to go through everything, and if something smells a bit funky or I don't wear it anymore, I think it's going to go in the bin. But let's try and organize this a little bit. Okay, so all my foundations are in there, laid out really well. I can see them all. I have other foundations that I have in another storage unit, but I probably will end up throwing most of them out because these are kind of the ones that I wear the most. I feel like the only foundations in this bunch that I'm not really wearing that much lately would probably be the Tarte Shape Tape one. And I'm not mad about the Benefit, the Hello Happy foundation, but the rest of them I kind of mix and wear regularly. I actually need to talk about this foundation in a video. It's the Dream Urban Cover one, and it reminds me so much of the IT Cosmetics, so I need to actually talk about that in another video. But like, I use all these foundations regularly. It's quite a lot. Like, I didn't actually think that I'd be putting that many foundations back in because there's just so many of them. Also, everything I took out of that drawer that doesn't go in there is in here, and I've just so many primers and blushes, and it's just an awful lot of stuff. I'm not really sure what to do here. I've got concealers and everything in here that I need to sort through because obviously I don't want to throw out any of the concealers, and like some of these primers are like my favorite primers. I have highlight palettes. I've just a lot in here, and I just really didn't think that there'd be so much not going back in. Yeah, like I thought I would have decluttered a bit of it, but no. And I can't really put it anywhere else. Like, look at this drawer. This needs to be sorted out as well. This drawer needs to be sorted out as well. Like, these drawers just seriously need to be sorted out. These are my powders. I have no idea what sort of organization is going on here. They're like that since I moved home. Maybe like, what, over like 10 months, 11 months ago. So these drawers are in bad shape. Bad shape. Like, look at this. This is just awful. Like, it's just a mess everywhere. They're foundations. They go in here. So I'm going to be adding more in here. As you can see, why I am kind of, actually I'll put that up here because I do use that regularly. And I'm going to put that over here because I use that quite regularly as well. And I can still see my super stay and I know what they are. Same with the rest. The conceal and hydrate I use a little bit more regularly than these ones. And I've been loving the Kat Von D one again. So like one drawer looks decent. And I still have a bit of room in the back. I don't know if you can see that. But I might be able to get my concealers in the back there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put all the concealers right in the back. Okay, so it's not fully organized, but it's so much better. I can kind of see all my foundations now. I can see where my concealers are over here. I can kind of have a good visual on what I have, and I'm gonna just start using up products and not buying so much because it's just ridiculous the amount of foundation I have here. And that's not even all of it. I have other foundations which are crazy. And in this drawer, it looks messy, but I swear it's organized chaos. I have all my primers here, and then I have like anything that comes in like a drop bottle over here, like oils and stuff like that. Highlighters, and then I've a bit of my blushers here, and then my bronzers, and then powder highlighters are all kind of there and going around the back. So that is obviously not all my makeup, but realistically this is like way more than I ever need. No more primers for the moment. I'm gonna try and get through all these, and I'm gonna tackle the lipsticks at a later date because there's all of these, and then I have again a drawer full of them back in my storage unit. You know those Alex drawers, the 6 ones? I have like 2 of them, so 12 drawers full of makeup. Way too much, like just more than any human being ever needs. And then I want to sort through all these, the powders and everything. I'm not buying any makeup next year. Like, I'm just not. It's just not going to happen. There is no makeup that I'm going to be buying because this is just it's just wasteful. Like, it's crazy how much crap I have. It's just not needed. I'm wasting way too much makeup. So yeah, it's like dark now because I've spent that long sorting out the drawers. I'm gonna go and get some soup. I'm starving, and I think that's what I'm gonna eat, some mushroom soup and make a toasty, chill out for the evening because my energy is really low, guys. So I'm so sorry if today's vlog is crap. At least we kind of did vlog a bit. I'm really under the weather. Like, it's just crap. I hate feeling this rubbish, especially around Vlogmas. But look, I'm gonna go get something to eat, have a little bit of a rest, and I'll see if I'm up for vlogging later on. And if not, then this will be the last time I'm talking to you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully we're feeling a bit better. And yeah, I don't think I really have anything else to say. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.